How to see Snapchat call history. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see Snapchat call history. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account and head towards profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Now hit the gear icon at top right corner to access settings of Snapchat. Now you have to scroll down and locate the option for clear data and then move ahead to click on clear conversation. Or directly, if you don't find the option to clear data, you can simply head towards clear conversation under account action. And then you will see all your past conversations. This include the call history as well. To delete a conversation or call history, simply click on the X icon and then tap clear bottom. In the similar way, you can clear all your call history or conversation. So I hope this guide was helpful to see Snapchat call history. Hope you are now able to see Snapchat call history. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.